Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TurboTax online easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for TurboTax online. Press enter to navigate to the TurboTax homepage. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Enter your email address in the first field. Make sure the email address is the one associated with your TurboTax account. In the next field, type in your password. Ensure that your password is entered correctly. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. After entering your email and password, click the Sign In button. Wait a moment as TurboTax processes your login request. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you can access your tax documents and start your return. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or ensure you have the correct login information. Once your session is complete, remember to log out for security reasons. To do this, click on your profile icon or name at the top right corner. Select the Log Out option. You are now successfully logged out of TurboTax Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.